Good morning, this is Dusty, and I am creating a brief tutorial for you to show you how to create custom groups in Securely. You'll notice I've borrowed Jerome's account so that this will look just like your computer. So you're used to opening up Securely to see your teacher tools, and you're used to seeing your list of Schoology classes here that you can choose from and start them once school is in session. What I'd like to draw your attention to is the classes section. Now, the first tab under here says Manual and Google Classroom classes. And here is where you will create your custom class. So you'll just name it, such as Bike Time RTI Group 1. Maybe this group meets on Tuesdays and Thursdays, whatever it is that you'd like to put in there. If you are co-teaching this with another person that you would like to be able to share the same RTI group, maybe one teacher has these same group of kids on Monday, Wednesday, and you have them on Tuesday, Thursday, you could share the same manual classroom as long as you're not both using it at the same time. So I'll just add myself here. Okay, now both of us are on there, and as I hit save, now it comes to adding students. Okay, so the class students here, we need to add more, so we'll hit the add button, and we're going to skip this first part. This doesn't work out so well. Just go right to the Google directory, and the easiest way I've found to do this is to use student ID numbers. So if you have your rosters set, I'm going to use some example students, and you can put in, you'll have to put in one at a time, but you don't have to import them one at a time. For instance, I'll put in my first student, just check the box but not hit import, and then I'll put in my second student and my third student, and I'll draw your attention to the fact that if I jump back to that first student, the box is still checked. Now when I hit import after I've done them all, they're all imported and they're all in there, just like you're used to seeing on your Schoology classes. You can also set up your class details just as you would with your Schoology classes. You can have them automatically start on Tuesdays and Thursdays. You can set the start time. Probably don't want to start it at 1 in the morning. Make it in the afternoon. You can set it to have a duration of exactly whatever minutes your RTI groups are set to last. You can, if you have set up a block list, you can enforce it here. Just select off the list. I don't have any. You can ask it to close all the tabs when the class starts, so you have their undivided attention. You can limit the maximum tabs. It only goes up to 5, I believe. So if you want less than 5, that's possible. 5 or less, that's possible. Otherwise, leave it unlimited. And you can allow students to raise their hand, which will give you a notification on your computer. You can allow students to initiate a chat. Again, will also give you a notification sound on your computer. And if you would like to play a notification sound on the student's device when you initiate a chat or an announcement or something like that, you can leave that one checked as well. Now, when you hit save, you now have a class. Let's jump back into your teacher tools and see what it looks like. So just as normal, you click here and select, and right at the top, you have your class. I'll load that one up. Now remember, before you start the class session, you'll want to make sure that you unselect anybody that's not going to be in your group before you hit start. That allows their computer to be easily adopted by another teacher somewhere else in the building if they're using them, or if they're at home, there won't be any problem there. Of course, the way Securely works, if they're not inside our network, inside our building, pulling one of our IP addresses, we can't see it anyway. If you have any questions, please reach out, throw me an email. If you still need help, I'd be happy to stop by when I can and show you how it works. Have a wonderful day, and I hope this helps you out.